Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have some mermaid project share for you guys, and I have been using this set here. Oh my gosh, such a good size set. It is a ship wheel mini album, but I didn't use it as a mini album. Instead, I turned this into a shaker and used it for the cover for my mini album I'm going to show you. Then I have been using many different sizes from this nesting die set, which is called the 5x8 Scalloped Nested Rectangle. Then I have been using this set again, and this one is called Mermaid Mini Album. But with this Mermaid Mini Album, these are the main things that I have been using. And then from the previous month release, there was another die set called the Folio Flip-Flop Folio Set. Let me just make sure that the name is right. Flip-Flop Folio Set. And from this Flip-Flop Folio Set, you guys, I have only used this one here, this shaped pocket piece for my mini album. And oh my goodness, I had so much fun. I really had to stop myself because I was having a lot of fun. I have also combined the flip-flop folio with the waterfall card set as well, you guys. This is a mermaid theme mini album that I got to make, and I have used for my pages the biggest size included in the nested set, and that is this one here, like this. Then I use the next size down, which doesn't have the scalloped edge border but has the stitching details. I use that on top to layer like this. So I've done that with these two dies for my main pages. For my front cover, I used the ship wheel. I turned it into a shaker. I got to use some tiny caviar balls in there, as well as some iridescent flower pieces. The word vitamin C is included in the Mermaid mini album set, and the the ship wheel set gives you this binocular piece as well as the flag. And I put the sticker piece that says Strong Girl on there. To decorate my ship wheel, I also use my iridescent purple color faceted gem stickers in two different sizes all around, as you can see. And then this is a mermaid theme pattern paper that I've had for a long time, you guys. And I was having a lot of fun using it. So for my ship wheel, I have used the 2mm foam for my frame part, and I also use for the acetate, I also use the base size that's included in the ship wheel set, which I'll quickly show you. So the stitch detail part, that is the part that I use to cut out the acetate, and this area here is the one I use to cut the foam for the shaker frame. And this is such a fun set. For this shaker part, I made sure to include it onto my page after I cut out the disc punch area. So to do my disc punch, I just simply use this pink disc punch that I got from AliExpress. It is so handy for me to be able to create fun mini album, and I got to use the smaller size clear ring disc. So after making the disc bound part of the page, that's how I decided where to glue down my ship wheel. So I love it that it fits this nested rectangle size so nicely. And the vitamin C word is included in the Mermaid mini album set. And I double layered the banner piece in two different colors, and then use holographic stripy cardstock for my background, which I've also used on the ship wheel as well. It is just such a pretty font, really thin, so you do have to use a fine tip. I need to show you guys these bubbles. I used two different kinds of gem stickers, and I used the clear dome bubble stickers that was sent to me by my friend Christy, AZ Crafty Maven, and I think it just adds perfect accent to my ocean theme. Okay, let's flip this over. This is where I used another size of the rectangle from the nested set. So let me find that exact size. I believe it was not this one, it's the one down from this. So I believe it is this one here. See? So you can use various sizes from this nested die set and create many different interesting components for your mini album. So I did score a little bit at the top so I can easily flip it up like this. And this is where I double layered my starfish piece that I die cut and I just stitched it down here. So it's also like a little tab for my flip up. And then I added the chipboard that says love and laugh. Now this area here is another piece that I used from this nested die set, which is the banner piece, and it looks like this shape here. This is another embellishment cluster I made using the starfish. I layered the starfish with the bubble and the stickers, and this is where I got to use the fishtail banner bit that's included in this set. So this will be the smallest size included in this set. And so with that, I got to make a journaling card like this. So I added the fishtail banner going downwards with the smallest size starfish and a little tiny mermaid tail that's included in the Mermaid mini album. And this is my pocket. So this is the pocket piece from the flip-flop folio that I got to add onto this page. And then I used the Mermaid mini album set for my mermaid tail. So I used the detail piece. Can you see all of those lines? I'm sure you can see them. It's very pretty. I used that, and I also used the scale extra added layering piece included in this set here, which is this one here. I cut it in two different pattern papers, one in the holographic, one in the mermaid pattern paper I'm using. And then I just lightly curled it like this, curled it up for the scale look. And this bottom part of the mermaid tail was attached to the pocket to create my mermaid tail pocket like this. I flip it over, and this is where I got to use the waterfall card set. Oh my gosh, I had fun with the waterfall card set one more time, but this time in a mermaid theme. So you can use this bit here. So this is the flower piece that I have added, which the color combo was perfect for this collection I was using. So this is a tab. So when I pull this tab, it becomes a waterfall like this. How fun is this interactive component, right? And I got to use all of the, well, most of the cut apart pieces. That's like the journaling card size. And it says, she is a mermaid of dry land, mermaid on dry land, and the world is her ocean. And then it's like this. Let the currents guide your heart. Isn't it so fun how I can just do this? So fun. So it was just really, really fun for me to be able to add the previous release cutting dies into the new May release of SCRAPDIVA Designs. Here is another journaling card that I made using another set down from here. So then this journaling card set, I think it was, where is that size? Oh my gosh, I think that size is missing. There's another size which is down from this size here. Can you see the difference in size? And then I stitched my bubbles, that's double layered, starfish, that's double layered. I did double stitching line. Okay. And then this is another mermaid tail that I did. So this time, instead of using the embossed line one, I used two other ones. One with the without any details, which is the largest piece included in the Mermaid mini album. And then I used the stitch detail one with this holographic seashell pattern paper. And it says Paradise Ocean Air. Flip it over. Then I just simply cut apart the large piece that had the journaling bits. So I captured that and I just scored it and it flips up like this. Here is another mermaid tail pocket I created, including some more journaling card bits. And it says, you are something magical. Flip it over. I captured more of the 2 journaling card pieces included in the collection, just scored at the top, and it flips up. But I used the tiny mermaid tail tab that's included in the Mermaid mini album as a part of the decoration to glue at the bottom here. You see. Then I also used that same mermaid tail to add decorative part to this journaling card up here. I stitched the mermaid tail with the tiny starfish and some sequins in glittery color. Then this goes into the pocket. And then I used the holographic cardstock for my mermaid tail this time. And it says the ocean. And you flip it over and that's the end of my mini album. Oh my gosh, this was so fun to make. I absolutely love this so much. Now, I also want to show you what else you can do with the nested die set. So I also made a card, a mermaid themed card. So this opens up like this. This time I used, which size was it? Let me see. It was this size here. See, I used this size to create the card base by folding the paper in half, and I slightly put it off the, see, let me show you. I put the pattern paper down that's folded. The cutting die is slightly off the paper, so it gives me a continuing card base like this. Then I cut another one of this in the metallic cardstock in the purple tone. Then I used another smaller size one down from here, which would be this size here. Here, you see? So I got to use these together to make this card. And I also used the dewdrop sticker that my friend Christy sent me, added it to the bubble part of the pattern paper. It gave the mermaid some bows in iridescent magic color, and it says friends. So fun. Then you guys, I also made 2 different size bag toppers. So this one here will be the next size down, which I used this rectangle piece for this one, and then the scalloped edge one that's one size bigger than this one here. Now I used 3 of the mermaid tail tabs included in the Mermaid mini album, as well as the 3 of the starfish. And then on top of that, I made this ruffle trim. I stitched the puffy sticker word that says together. Isn't it so pretty? So when I'm packaging up some embellishment, I can just add this as my bag topper. Then I also made another one. I wanted to use some puffy word stickers that I had. So I used the alphabet to spell beach vibes and stitched it across the 2 smaller size. This time I used this one here, like this, and then one size down from this one to create this bag topper here. So I got to create so many different things with just the nesting die set, and I got to make beautiful mermaid theme mini album combining several different cutting dies from SCRAPDIVA Designs. I hope you guys give this a go as well. It is a really fun set to have. If you're in love with the mermaid ocean magic, wow, there are so many die sets that you can easily pick up. Now, I also want to mention again that this Mermaid mini album set also gives you the shaker bit, which I have showed it to you guys with my boggy bag project. And it gives you all of these nice words to use. Vitamin C, mermaid. I mean, the font is really beautiful, as you can see. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. I'll be back to show you guys more projects. Bye for now.